Hello everyone. Want to make the text on TikTok easier to read? Whether the text appears too small or too large, TikTok lets you customize its size through the accessibility settings. This feature is especially useful if you spend a lot of time browsing videos and want a more comfortable viewing experience. Here's how you can change the text size in just a few minutes. Start by opening the TikTok app on your Android or iPhone. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to adjust the text size. Step 2. Look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap the profile icon. This will take you to your personal TikTok profile page. Step 3. In the upper right corner, tap the 3-line menu icon. A panel with several options will appear. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where TikTok stores all of your account, privacy, and display preferences. Step 5. Scroll down until you see the Content and Display section. Tap Accessibility to open features designed to improve your viewing experience. Step 6. Tap Text Size. A slider will appear on your screen. Drag the slider. Right to increase the text size, left to decrease the text size. As you move the slider, you'll see a preview of how the text will look before saving your changes. Step 7. Once you're satisfied with the text size, tap Adjust to apply the new setting. TikTok will update the text size across supported sections of the app, making it easier or more compact depending on your preference. Changing the text size on TikTok is a simple but helpful feature that improves readability and overall comfort while using the app. If the new size doesn't feel right, you can return to the same settings at any time and adjust it again. With just a few taps, you can personalize TikTok to better match your viewing preferences and enjoy a more comfortable browsing experience every day.